Hello everyone, this is Devayani Khedkar from Bharat Vidyalaya, Akola.
Point A having coordinates x1, y1 and point B having coordinates x2, y2 are taken in xy plane. xy plane. We have to find distance between A, B. So our focus is to find distance between A, B. From point B, draw perpendicular BP on x-axis. Similarly, from point A, draw AD perpendicular to BP. Since line BP or segment BP is parallel to y-axis, therefore any point on this line will have same x coordinate, and therefore coordinate of point D is x2 and coordinate of point B is x2. Similarly, segment AD is parallel to y-axis and therefore any point on this segment AD will have same y coordinate. Since y coordinate of point A is y1, therefore y coordinate of point D is also y1. Our main focus is to find distance between AB. So let us derive distance formula. We have coordinates of A x1, y1, coordinates of B x2, y2 and coordinates of D x2, y1. See here, A x1, y1, B x2, y2 and point D has coordinate x2, y1. Coordinate of point D, x coordinate of point D is x2, x coordinate of point A is x1, and we know that AD is parallel to x-axis and therefore this distance AD will be x2 minus x1. So distance AD is equal to x2 minus x1. Y coordinate of point B is y2 and y coordinate of point D is y1, and therefore this distance BD will be y2 minus y1, and BP is parallel to y-axis and therefore distance BD will be y2 minus y1. We know that triangle ABD is right angle triangle and therefore we can apply Pythagoras theorem, and according to Pythagoras theorem, AB square equals AD square plus BD square. Since AB is hypotenuse, then AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. And we know that AD is what? AD is x2 minus x1 and therefore AD square, that is x2 minus x1 whole square, and BD is what? BD is y2 minus y1 and therefore BD square means y2 minus y1 whole square. Now we get AB square is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, but we want distance AB. Therefore taking square root, we get square AB is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, and this is what? This is distance formula. Very important note. See, we use x2 minus x1 square root of x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. But you can also use this formula, square root of x1 minus x2 square plus y1 minus y2 square. This is also distance. Let us take example based on it. Find the distance between the points P, 5, 7 and Q, negative 1, 3. Though we have given coordinates of P and Q Let us assume that coordinates of P are x1, y1 and coordinates of Q are x2, y2. If you compare this x1, y1 with this 5, 7, you will get value of x1 is 5 and value of y1 is 7. Similarly, value of x2 is negative 1, x2 is negative 1 and y2 is y2 is 3. By distance formula, we can find distance PQ. It is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. By putting values of x1, y1, x2, y2 in this formula, we get negative 1 minus 5 whole square plus 3 minus 1 whole square, square root of this function. That is square root of negative 6 whole square, because minus 1 minus 5, that is minus 6, and 3 minus 7, it is minus 4. So negative 6 whole square plus negative 4 whole square. Negative 6 square of any negative number or square of any real number is always positive. Therefore, negative 6 square is equal to 36 and square of negative 4 is 16. Thus, we get square root 52. Factors of square root 52 are 4 into 13. And final answer is 2 square root 13. Thus, we can find distance between 2 points by distance formula. And here we get distance PQ is 2 square root 13. Next example. Determine whether the points are collinear. Here we have 3 points: A, 1, negative 3, B, 2, negative 5 and C, negative 4, 7. We have to determine whether the points are collinear. If the sum of any two distances out of distance AB, distance BC and distance AC is equal to the third, then the 3 points are collinear. By using distance formula, we will find distance AB, distance BC and distance AC. We have coordinates of A, 1 minus 3. Let it be x1, y1. x1 is equal to 1 and y1 is equal to minus 3. Then coordinates of B. Coordinates of B are 2, minus 5. Let they are x2 and y2. x2 is equal to 2 and y2 is equal to negative 5. We have to find distance AB and we have distance formula. Distance AB is equal to x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. By putting values of x1 and y1, x2 and y2 in this formula, we get distance AB is equal to square root of 2 minus 1 whole square plus negative 5 minus 3 whole square. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1 square, and here negative 5 minus into minus, we get plus 3. So negative 5 plus 3 whole square. Here negative 5 plus 3 is equal to negative 2. Therefore 1 square plus negative 2, that is square root of 1 plus 4, that is square root of 5. This is suppose statement 1. We have distance AB is equal to square root 5. We have coordinates of B and C. By putting these coordinates in distance formula, we will find distance BC. Here minus 4 minus 2 is minus 6, and here minus minus plus, and therefore here 7 plus 5. So here negative 6 square is 36, 7 plus 5 square is equal to 12 square, 36 plus 12 square is 144, and we get here square root of 180, and factorize 180 in such a manner that one of the factor is perfect square. So we get 36 into 5 factors of 180, and thus we get 6 square root 5 because square root 36 is 6. Therefore we get distance BC is 6 square root 5. Let it is statement 2. Now let us find distance AC. We have coordinates of A, we have coordinates of C by putting values here in distance formula. Here minus 4 minus 1, that is minus 5, and 7 minus in bracket minus 3. Here minus minus plus, therefore 7 plus 3 whole square. So negative 5 square, it is 25, 7 plus 3, 10, 10 square, then 25 plus 100, we get square root 125, and factorize 125. Here factors are 25 into 5, 25 is perfect square, and thus we get 5 square root 5. Therefore distance AC is 5 square root 5, and this is statement 3. We have distance AB square root 5, we have distance BC 6 square root 5, and distance AC is 5 square root 5. And here sum of two distances is equal to third. Square root 5 is what? It is distance AB. 5 square root 5, it is distance AC. So sum of these two distances is equal to third distance, because distance BC is 6 square root 5, and therefore we can say that points ABC are collinear.